This time we are going to use the method called completing the square. Anytime you want to use this method, you're supposed to make sure that the coefficient of the second degree term is 1, always positive 1. Anytime we don't have anything written, there is always invisible 1. So this is okay. This is basically what we want to see all the time when we are using this method, means completing the square. Next, you're supposed to make sure that you are going to move your constant to the right side. Okay, you have to move constant to right and simply copy down whatever left. I have x squared plus 4x is equal 9. Next, you're supposed to copy first x squared, copy also 4x. Next, you're supposed to add. You're supposed to take this coefficient and divide this by 2, 4 divided by 2, and raise this fraction to the second power. Whatever you add to the left side, you have to add also to the right side. That's why you are going to write 9 plus 4 over 2 to the second power. Is it simple? Of course. Take a look. We have x squared plus 4x plus, we can reduce this fraction by simply dividing 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is equal to 2 to the second power equals 9 plus 4 by 2 is also 2 raised to the second power is equal 4. Now, someone is going to ask me why I didn't write over here 4, because 2 to the second power is equal 4. Maybe we're supposed to write 4. Not at this moment, okay? So what you're supposed to do next, you're supposed to just don't look at the exponents anymore and simply copy down x, copy down this sign, plus, and copy down this base, okay, into the parentheses, and everything raised to the second power, okay? One more time. This x goes down, this positive sign goes down, and this base goes down over here. And you're supposed to raise everything to the second power. Equals 9 plus 4 equals 13. Someone is going to ask, how come this expression is equal to this one? You're supposed to remember the formula for the square of a sum, which says a plus b to the second power is equal a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. In our case, we have x plus 2 to the second power equals x squared plus 2 times x, because my x is represented by a, times 2, because this is my b, we can say, plus 2 to the second power. And let's take a look at what we have got. We have x squared plus 4x plus 2 to the second power, right? So we got exactly the same expression. That's why this is equal to this. In order to find value of x, we're supposed to find the square root of both sides of the equation, and we are going to have x plus 2 equals plus minus square root of 13. In order to find x, I have to move 2 to the right side, and I have x equals negative 2 plus minus square root of 13. So my answers are x equals negative 2 plus square root of 13, or x equals negative 2 minus square root of 13. So I can say that these are the solutions to my problem.